The goals for our project are to make a steering wheel for our new urban concept vehicle. We want to make a steering wheel light and that has all the buttons we need on it.
Yep, we've got a bunch of electrical switching that has to get done. A lot for the, we have windshield wipers, we have to do headlights, tail lights, and then also doing a few other vehicle controls. So implementing regenerative braking, implementing an e-stop as well. All of that has to get grouped into one continuous system inside of the steering wheel. So for the current state of it, where we're at with manufacturing, we've got most of the buttons and switches in. We're currently working on wiring, getting everything hooked up, trying to allow space for not manufacturing, but modifications in the future, making sure we don't have to do a bunch of difficult splices in the future. We also have our 12-pin connector here that runs data in and off the board. As you can see here, we have 4 indicator lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, hazards, as well as the main headlights.
So this was our original prototype. This is our second prototype, have more of a yoke shape. Also a prototype of the carbon fiber, just to make sure we get the amount of layers correct. The next one will be water jet out, so it won't have as bad of lines or geometry on as this. And then we've got 3D prints to give some geometry here, and then we cover them in bar tape to make it more comfortable for our driver.
So this here is the back plate for the yoke. Main things that this is doing is we have a regen paddle. So this is what our driver will depress when we want to initiate regen. So it's entirely custom. We also have an off-the-shelf quick disconnect hub. So when our driver wants to disconnect,
Comes right off the steering column like that.
I think the biggest challenge we ran into along the design was packaging, getting Arduinos in there, finding a space for wires on both sides of a board, running standoffs, running bolts, running bolts that protrude from the hub, making sure all of our wiring doesn't interfere with each other, electrical connectors for buttons, all sorts of stuff. There was a lot we had to package in a pretty small package.